Are you facing the challenge of meeting high standards for precision and reliability in medical products, while also needing to control costs and speed up delivery? Hi everyone, I'm Gilbert Chen from Sunrise Metal. Today, let's talk about a challenge many medical device manufacturers face. As medical equipment becomes smarter and lighter, the demands on your components go up. The structures are more complex, the dimensions need to be more precise, and the appearance matters more than ever. At this point, die casting might be the solution worth considering. From what we've seen with our current customers, die casting is already widely used in many areas, like structure housing for ultrasound and patient monitoring equipment, functional covers for dental tools, high-strength internal support in surgical labs, heat dissipating parts in electronic modules, and sealed enclosures of functional components used in clean environments. These parts usually have a few things in common. They are complex in shape, need high precision, require strict surface finishing, and must have consistent quality in batches. Die casting fits these needs really well. It offers high accuracy, one-time forming, great efficiency, and is perfect for volume productions. Plus, post-processing options are very flexible. That's why more and more companies in the medical field are turning to die casting. So, how exactly can die casting help solve your key challenges? We have summed up the 5 most common concerns from our clients. See if any of them sounds familiar to you. Medical equipment needs to be easy to carry, install, and move around, but it also has to be solid and reliable. Aluminum die casting fits that sweet spot. It's low in weight, but high in strength, corrosion resistance, and great for handheld devices and mobile imaging systems that demand both performance and portability. This is critical in medical devices. Features like mounting brackets, assembly joints, or functional surfaces often require tolerance within minus plus 0.05 mm or tighter. With precision tooling and optimized die casting processes, we can meet these specs and keep consistency across batches. That's key for smooth assembly and overall device's performance. In medical field, project demands are strict. Stable delivery is very important. We once helped a North American medical device company improve one of their parts. They are using 4-block machining. It worked, but it took a long time, cost a lot, and was hard to scale. We suggested to switching to high-pressure die casting with some light machining and design changes. This made production much faster and helped lower the costs per part. Most importantly, once they moved to larger batches, production stays steady and reliable over time. With die casting, you get strong performance, better cost control, and stable delivery, especially when you need to produce more at scale. This matters a lot to medical clients. Many of them ask for specific powder coating colors like medical white, medical gray, or their own customer colors. We can match those needs with powder coatings that offer strong adhesion and consistent appearance, while also being easy to clean and disinfect. On top of that, die-cast parts work well with painting and bacterial coating, helping meet both hygiene and visual standards in hospitals and laboratories. The aluminum alloys we use have a high recycling rate, which helps cut carbon emissions and support our customers' global ESG and green production strategies. It's a smart way to meet industry standards while also doing what's right for the planet. In the medical industries, the standards are higher, timelines are tight, and there's no room for error. From design to delivery, every project steps must be on point. That's why you need a partner who understands both die casting technology and the specific need of medical products. Someone who can bring you reliable, efficient, and professional support. At Sunrise Metal, we aim to be that trusted partner for you. We offer one-stop service from product development, mold design, die casting, CNC machining, and surface finishing to quality inspection. We are also ISO 13485 certified for medical devices manufacturing, so we can meet strict process control and traceability requirements. Over the past 10 years, we've been worked with global medical brands and delivered key parts for life-saving equipment used around the world. If you are looking for a professional, reliable die casting manufacturer who gets the medical industries, feel free to contact us. Let's work together to bring high-quality health care to more people around the world. See you next time.